Okay, firstly, congratulations. So we have with us rank 728, Srishti Gupta. Srishti, many congratulations. Right? You can start by ringing the bell. At least 10 times, right? And make it loud.
10?
Yeah, come on.
Right.
Go for it, yeah. Okay, wonderful. Sir.
So, how was your experience? You have given so many attempts. What worked for you? What didn't work for you? How was your entire journey? Please describe it.
It was a long journey indeed, and throughout the journey I was working. I was working with Ernst & Young, and I was also mentoring students in terms of data analytics. And alongside I was giving my attempts. Then I did my MBA in finance and marketing alongside the attempts. And finally in this attempt, so last year also I gave the interview and Asif sir guided me. This year I think what worked was streamlining my preparation, a revision of the notes that I made with ma'am's guidance and sir's guidance, and additionally writing a lot of mock tests and evaluating them myself, because the feedback that I got, I tried to inculcate that, and then the second test that I'm writing, I evaluated it myself and then figured out what's missing and what I can add. So that I think helped a lot in mains. In prelims, I think there is a session conducted by Ayush sir 1 or 2 months before the prelims. So I used to attend that and follow that roadmap. Forum का contribution every single day for the past many years. Forum की website पर daily quiz आता है 10 questions का, prelims का, current affairs and static both. So I used to attempt that. जैसे आज attempt किया, फिर note कर लिया कि मेरे कौन से गलत हुए, क्या score आया. Next day उस दिन का अटेम्प्ट किया एंड देन पिछले दिन का भी अटेम्प्ट किया, तो वो रिवीजन रोज क्विज का गया. तो आई हैड मतलब मेरे पास करीबन 4000 5000 क्वेश्चंस का वो पूरा एक कलेक्शन था जो मेरे गलत हो रहे थे या मैं क्या गलत कर रही थी. इनकरेक्ट की जगह करेक्ट चूज कर लिया, स्टेटमेंट में क्या गलत था, नॉट को मिस कर दिया, एंड दैट फाइनली आई कंप्रेस्ड इट इनटू 10 पेजेस. वो प्रीलिम्स में काफ़ी हेल्प किया. मेंस में सिमुलेटर्स एंड सेल्फ इवैल्यूएशन, रिविजन ऑफ PYQs. आई रोट अ लॉट ऑफ PYQs. इंटरव्यू में सर एंड मैम का गाइडेंस, आसिफ सर, साक्षी मैम, जो मोरल बूस्ट किया, क्योंकि मेरा लास्ट अटेम्प्ट था तो आई वाज वेरी स्कैर्ड. एंड देन मेरा फर्स्ट डे इंटरव्यू आ गया था, बट देन यू हैव टू एक्सेप्ट सर्टेन थिंग्स एंड देन गिव योर बेस्ट. सो दिस इज व्हाट आई डिड.
Also, I remember you used to struggle a lot with essays.
I did. I have given 3 mains. तो फर्स्ट मेंस में मेरे काफ़ी हाई मार्क्स थे, अबव एवरेज, एंड देन सेकंड मेंस में वो ड्रॉप हो गए थे. सो आई वाज सडनली कंसर्न कि ये क्यों हो गया, बिकॉज फ्रॉम माय साइड आई एम द सेम पर्सन. बट देन लॉट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस, लॉट ऑफ गाइडेंस, रीडिंग अ लॉट ऑफ टॉपर essays to see what works for them, and then inculcating that into my essay, so that helped.
And how did you balance your work and work life and then this preparation? How did you manage your entire day?
So, becoming a civil servant was my dream, and the 9 to 5 that I was doing was for financial independence and supporting my family. So 9 to 5 was my responsibility, and then 5 to 9 was towards my passion. So Delhi to Gurgaon traveling is 2 hours one way. So 2 hours in the morning, 2 hours in the evening, traveling time I used to study, and after coming back, even if I'm not having the energy to write answers, then I used to put on videos, study videos, current affairs, and just listen to it so that passively I'm absorbing knowledge. I think that helped.
Just one more thing. This was your 6th attempt, right?
So,
क्या गलती करी है, you would like to say others कि ये गलती नहीं करनी है?
बहुत सारी गलतियाँ की हैं.
At least 3-4.
The first thing, sir, I did not have any guidance. Even I want to admit it, I know मैं forum के platform पर हूँ, but मैंने कोई coaching नहीं ली in the last 7 years, nowhere. But I think that some sort of guidance is necessary.
Right.
कोई mentor होने चाहिए. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हम enroll करें coachings में, but एक mentor होने चाहिए who knows कि मेरी strengths and weaknesses क्या हैं और मुझे सही direction बता पाए.
True.
That happened, and the moment I realized कि prelims में मेरा क्या issue है, I was afraid of marking too many questions. तो वो प्रीलिम्स नहीं क्लियर हो रहा था फर्स्ट
Oh.
3 अटेम्प्ट्स में एंड देन आई अंडरस्टूड दैट आई हैव टू फाइट माय ओन फियर्स एंड स्टैटिक को स्ट्रॉन्ग किया मैंने सो प्रीलिम्स क्लियर होना स्टार्ट हो गया एंड देन
Right.
मेंस में मैंने इंक्रीमेंटल 100 मार्क्स किया तो आई होप इस टाइम भी शायद 100 मार्क्स इंक्रीज होने की वजह से हम इन द लिस्ट
Wonderful. And this was the first time you gave the interview?
second time
Second time.
last year I gave
Right.
and I missed by a few marks
Wonderful. Congratulations. Cut it off, cut it off. Have.
Congratulations. His birthday is as good as a new birthday.
Many, many, many congratulations, dear. Proud of you.
Thank you.